Hi there, and welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to mark a booking as no-show in the Channel Manager. A no-show in the hotel industry refers to a guest who has a confirmed reservation but fails to arrive or cancel. Marking no-shows, especially for OTA bookings, is important to avoid paying unnecessary commission, maintain accurate occupancy and revenue records, release unsold rooms, enforce cancellation policies, and keep OTA performance metrics accurate. Let's get started. First, log in to your Channel Manager account. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Bookings. In the Bookings section, select the date range and select the reservation that you want to mark as no-show. Next, in the right side, you will get 3 dots. Click on that, and from the drop-down, click on No-Show. And that's it. Your booking has been successfully marked as no-show. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. You can find the contact details in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.